What we've done so far has been very useful. Pug is an excellent, quick way to write HTML files, as long as you're careful with the indentation. But so far we have not looked at how to handle any server-side processing. We can display data passed from a Pug data file, but we cannot pass data from one page to another. To do this, we need PHP, and if we are to continue to benefit from Pug syntax, then we need to see how to add PHP code to Pug files. In this add-on lesson to the original course, I will show you a simple way to do this, using a dot after the containing div to enable multi-line content. I've prepared a new Pug file, contact.pug, which will contain a contact form. The syntax is very familiar now, so I've already written it. Here's the HTML5 boilerplate, with a link to a simple style sheet, so it doesn't look too awful, and a title and heading. And here's the form, which will send the data using the post method to another file named thankyou.php. So we have form method equals post, action equals thankyou.php. I've kept the form very simple with inputs for name and email, a text area for a message, and a submit button, just to show how this works. Indented inside form, we have input type equals text, name equals username, placeholder equals name. And then input type equals email, name equals email, placeholder equals email. Text area name equals message, placeholder equals your message. Don't put any white space after the text area. If you do, the placeholder text will not appear. And then button type equals submit, and submit as the text on the button. And we'll run the pug watch command, pug-w, contact.pug, -o for the output, // for the current directory, -P for pretty, to generate contact.html, which is here. That's all just as we did before. Now we need to use Pug to create thankyou.php to receive the data sent from the form, and this needs to have PHP code in it. Create thankyou.pug. I've already done the HTML5 boilerplate, title and heading. And now we need PHP. This is very simple. At the same indentation level as the H1, add a div to contain the PHP. I'll name it .thankyou, which will compile to div class equals thankyou. Now all we need to do to add PHP code is to put a dot on the end of the thankyou element, which enables multi-line content, as I showed in lesson 2. So .thankyou. Indent, start the PHP code. And now we can write PHP as normal. I'm not going to go into how we'd really handle this data with validation and all the rest of it. All I want to do is to show the principle of PHP working in Pug. So all we'll do here is display in thankyou.php the 3 values entered in contact.html. We get data sent using the post method with $_post and the name of the form input. So that's $_post username, $_post email, and $_post message. And we'll simply echo their values onto the page. Echo $_post username, and a line break. Echo BR in tags. Echo $_post email, echo BR tag, echo $_post message, and now we need to compile the Pug file. So again, pug-w thankyou.pug, -o, dot and / for the current directory, -p for pretty, but that's not enough. This time we can't compile it to an HTML file, as we've always done before, because PHP has to be in a file with the .php extension. So for the Pug watch line, we need to specify .php as the extension of the output file. This is done with -E to specify that the extension follows, and then PHP without the dot. Run that and thankyou.php should be generated. Now on your local server, you need XAMPP or similar for this. Open up contact.html. Enter values for username, email and a message. Press submit. and thankyou.php should display the values you entered. And that's it. Using a dot on the end of a pug element enables us to enter multi-line text, in this case PHP code, which will be compiled into a working PHP file.